Guys, we're live.
Today, we're going to be taking a look at what the internet calls homemade secret inks. Do they work? We'll find out. According to Google, these 3 items, plus a 4th mystery item that you'll find out about in a minute, work really well as secret ink. They are heat activated. I'm going to use a hairdryer for this. And after they dry onto a piece of paper, they disappear completely. And the mystery ingredient is urine. For each of these ingredients, we're going to have a piece of paper. This is art paper taken from an art notebook. It's thick, high quality paper. I'm going to be using a Q-tip, and we're going to be writing out a message. So as you can see, they're not quite dry yet. We're going to have to put them in a nice cool dry place, not in the sunshine, because I don't want the heat to activate the ink. We put this like on a shelf or something and get it nice and dry. Alright, so check it out. Pretty nice dry edge. They look a little wet, but that's just because of the liquid on the art paper. They are dry. So, unfortunately, results were inconclusive. It could be that these inks just don't work very well. They are made out of weird household items. It could be that the paper was too thick. We certainly did not get enough heat. That could have also been a factor. I would say if you're going to write invisible messages, just go with a commercially available ink. Even like a blacklight ink. They sell blacklight pens for super cheap. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Catch you guys next time.